Yo, what's up everybody? We are back with another video, and today we're diving deep into the world of 5G. But not just your phone's 5G, we're talking about how this tech is completely changing the game for vehicles, like actually changing the way we drive. Think smarter cars, smoother traffic, and even safer roads. From Asia to America, 5G is about to make driving a whole new experience. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS. 5G is about to take these systems to a whole new level. One of the biggest advancements is Cooperative Adaptive Cruise Control. Imagine a world where your car talks to the car in front of it, sharing real-time speed and position data. No more phantom braking or tailgating, just smooth, safe cruising down the highway. 5G makes that communication almost instantaneous. With intersection collision avoidance, cars can now communicate with traffic lights and each other to prevent accidents at intersections. We're talking about a future where fender benders become a thing of the past. 5G is making our roads smarter, and that means safer driving for everyone. Okay, let's be real. Nobody likes traffic. But what if I told you 5G could actually make traffic jams a thing of the past? No, seriously, with 5G's crazy low latency and high bandwidth, we're talking about a world of intelligent traffic light systems. Imagine traffic lights that can actually think, adjusting their timing in real time based on the actual flow of vehicles. That means no more waiting at empty intersections, just a smooth, optimized flow. With 5G, our cars will be able to receive up-to-the-minute traffic updates, allowing us to plan the most efficient routes possible. We're not just talking about saving time, we're talking about reducing emissions, improving air quality, and making our cities more livable. 5G is changing the game one traffic light at a time. Now, let's talk about something you might not expect. Trucks. 5G is about to make trucking more efficient and safer than ever before, thanks to something called platooning. Imagine a convoy of trucks driving down the highway, but they're not just driving, they're connected. With 5G, these trucks can travel in close formation like a pack of high-tech wolves. This reduces air resistance, which means huge fuel savings. We're talking about a more sustainable future for the trucking industry, but it's not just about saving fuel. Platooning with 5G also means enhanced safety. The lead truck can communicate instantly with the following trucks, allowing for perfectly synchronized braking and acceleration. 5G is connecting our roads, our vehicles, and ultimately, our world. All right, are you ready for this? Remember when I said 5G was like something out of a sci-fi movie? Well, it's time to talk about remote driving. With 5G's ultra-low latency, we're not just talking about controlling a toy car with your phone, we're talking about remotely operating actual vehicles in real-world situations. Think about the possibilities for emergency services. Imagine a remote driver taking control of an ambulance stuck in traffic, ensuring the quickest possible response time in critical situations. 5G-powered remote driving could revolutionize last-mile delivery. Imagine a fleet of delivery vehicles navigating complex urban environments with the precision of a human driver, but without the need for someone physically behind the wheel. 5G is blurring the lines between science fiction and reality, and it's happening right before our eyes. Now, let's not forget about our pedestrian friends. 5G isn't just about making life easier for drivers, it's about making our roads safer for everyone. Imagine a world where your smartphone could actually talk to cars. With 5G, that's becoming a reality. Pedestrians will be able to alert nearby vehicles to their presence, even if they're hidden from view. 5G is enabling smarter infrastructure with traffic lights and crosswalks that can communicate with both vehicles and pedestrians. We're talking about a future where accidents become a rarity, where everyone on the road is connected and protected. 5G isn't just about faster internet, it's about creating a safer, more connected world for everyone. We're reaching the finish line, but we've got two more game-changing applications to cover. First up, high-precision mapping. Imagine a world where your car knows its exact location down to the centimeter. With 5G, that's becoming a reality. Vehicles will be able to share and receive incredibly precise location data, which is crucial for autonomous driving. And finally, let's talk about V2G integration, or vehicle-to-grid. With 5G, electric vehicles will be able to communicate with the power grid, charging their batteries during off-peak hours and even feeding energy back into the grid during peak demand. We're talking about creating a more sustainable and efficient energy future for everyone. So there you have it, folks. From smarter cars to safer roads and a more sustainable future, 5G is revolutionizing the way we drive. These real-world applications are just the beginning, and as 5G networks continue to expand, we can expect even more mind-blowing innovations to emerge. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of 5G and V2X, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all things tech. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below what you're most excited about in the future of driving. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.